Good girls.
You want one?
Cindy,
What?
speak.
Do you want some?
Speak, Cindy.
Louder.
What do you say? Say
yes.
Say, Auntie Delina, you're a slag.
Oh, yeah.
Good
Get
girls.
back.
Come, over here. Over here. Cindy.
Come.
Come. Molly,
Wait.
sit.
Sit. Sit.
Rollo.
I didn't say it. Down. Roll over. All the way. Good girl. Molly. Gimme. High five. Yay, so clever. High five. No. High five.
Cindy, come.
Good girl.
Cindy, come here. Come here.
Cindy.
Sit. Don't.
No, high five. No, you done high five. Cindy's turn. Good girl.
Good girls.
See, so clever. Now, stay. Stay.
Cindy, speak.
No, wait. No, I'm going to do the other one. Don't. Don't touch. Don't touch it. Leave it. Leave it. You ready? On your marks. Get set. Go! Sit.
Sit. Cindy, speak.
Now speak to Mummy.
Speak.
What?
What are you saying?
Say down. Down. Andrea.
And Molly is as dumb as a box of spanners, isn't you, babes?
No, she's a good girl. The pot. Oh, for sake of pot and sake of this. No. No. Back. Go back.
Come. Come. Cindy. Come here. Cindy. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Molly, sit. Good girls.
Stay. Stay. Gonna catch it? Are ya? Tell Mummy, yeah?
Concentration on her face.
Ready? Step. Stay, I said. Catch it.
Good girl.
Catch it. Yay! Sit.
Cindy, what have you done? What have you done?
Uh-oh.
No. What have you done, Cindy? Good girl. He's good girl. Get the fight me.
Uh-oh.
Show Auntie Delina your great face. Look. Oh, say Auntie Delina, look. Auntie Andrea, I can eat your cat.
Back here. Sit. Stay.
Good girls.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. You ready? Steady. Go. Go. Stay.